Hello, this is Indira with Green Pear Leather Goods. We're here again in another market this Saturday morning. We're here at the Tractor Supply um, market. They do it like the fourth Saturday of the month, and so I'm set up in here this morning. So they actually sell like livestock in here. So they have a lot of chickens. They have a lot of things in here. So as you can see, these are my products, but I have it's supposed to get busier in here. This is my first time in here, but yeah, so that's a lot of stuff. She's selling bread. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm just showing you. We have some animals in here. Yeah, so there's some things in here too. So
Mine used to be that too, my grandbaby, but he got about 8 years old and he don't want to touch it.
yeah,
Turkeys?
some chickens.
I got my hands full of quail and chickens.
We had to get rid of our quail. They're too much. They're too hard. They work for us.
Yeah, it's a really fun market. Let's see how everything goes. I mean, the weather is supposed to be nice, but yeah, so just showing you a little bit here, like around, and so we have more chicks in here. But yeah, they have some rabbits. Some things in here and stuff, but yeah. So I'm back in here, so yeah, so this is a nice market, and of course right here I have these things right here. This is my logo, and you can look me up in YouTube, Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, but yeah, overall it's looking good. So yeah, so again, this is Indira with Green Pear Leather Goods. Thank you so much. Bye bye.